Welcome to Entrepreneurial Edge. In today's video, we explore the dramatic history of Adidas and Puma, a family feud that shaped sportswear. What's something people don't know about Adidas and Puma? These names are synonymous with athletic achievement, style, and innovation. Yet behind these iconic brands lies a story of fierce rivalry, familial discord, and an unwavering entrepreneurial spirit. It's a tale that begins not on a global stage but in the humble confines of a small German town, Herzogenaurach, with two brothers, Adolf Dassler and Rudolf Dassler, at its heart. Few who lace up a pair of Adidas sneakers know the name Adolf Dassler. Fewer still know the tumultuous history behind the brand's rise to global fame. This is the story of how a passion for sport, a commitment to craftsmanship, and a bitter family feud gave birth to two of the biggest names in sportswear history. Our story begins in the aftermath of World War I. Germany was in turmoil, struggling to find its footing in a world reshaped by conflict. It was in this environment of uncertainty that Adi Dassler, a baker's son with a passion for sport, began crafting athletic shoes in his mother's laundry room. Adi, a meticulous craftsman, focused on creating shoes that could enhance athletic performance. His brother, Rudolf, a natural salesman, recognized the business potential in Adi's creations. In 1924, they joined forces to establish the Dassler Brothers Shoe Factory. Word of the Dassler Brothers' innovative footwear spread quickly. Athletes, eager for an edge in competition, flocked to their door. The 1928 Amsterdam Olympics marked a turning point. Several athletes competed in Dassler shoes, cementing the brand's reputation for quality and performance. The 1936 Berlin Olympics provided another significant boost. Jesse Owens, the legendary American sprinter, achieved his historic 4 gold medal wins wearing Dassler spikes. This triumph catapulted the Dassler Brothers Shoe Factory onto the world stage, solidifying their position as pioneers in the nascent sportswear industry. The outbreak of World War II brought the burgeoning success of the Dassler brothers to a grinding halt. The factory was forced to shift production to military equipment, casting a shadow over their once bright future. During the war, Rudolf was drafted, while Adi remained to manage the factory. The war years witnessed growing friction between the brothers. Their once close bond began to fray, strained by personal differences, political tensions, and the pressures of wartime. Adding fuel to the fire was an incident where Adi and his wife, Kata, sought refuge in a bomb shelter already occupied by Rudolf and his family. Rudolf, reportedly already suspicious of Adi's ambitions, interpreted their arrival as a deliberate act of aggression. This misunderstanding, fueled by the anxieties of war, deepened the rift between the brothers, planting the seeds for the dramatic split that was to come. The split Dassler brothers no more. Following the war, the animosity between Adi and Rudolf proved insurmountable. The details surrounding their final falling out remain shrouded in mystery, with conflicting accounts and rumors fueling speculation to this day. What is certain is that in 1948, the Dassler Brothers Shoe Factory was dissolved. Adi went on to establish Adidas, his company's name a portmanteau of his own nickname and surname. Rudolf founded his own rival sportswear company just across the river Aurach, christening it Puma. Herzogenaurach, once united by the brothers' shared ambition, was now a town divided. The rivalry between the two brothers extended beyond the boardroom. It permeated every aspect of life in their small town. Herzogenaurach became a battleground for brand loyalty, with families and friendships divided by their preference for Adidas or Puma. A town divided, a world conquered. The rivalry between Adidas and Puma, fueled by deeply personal animosity, propelled both brands to extraordinary heights. Each brother, determined to outdo the other, pushed the boundaries of footwear and apparel design, revolutionizing the sportswear industry in the process. Adidas secured a major coup at the 1954 World Cup. The German national team, wearing Adidas boots with innovative screw-in studs, pulled off a stunning victory against heavily favored Hungary. This victory, dubbed the Miracle of Bern, cemented Adidas's position as a global force in sports footwear. Puma, meanwhile, focused on developing innovative products and securing high-profile endorsements. The brand's distinctive leaping Puma logo, a symbol of speed and agility, became synonymous with athletic excellence. The rivalry between the two brands, once confined to the small town of Herzogenaurach, now played out on a global stage. From track to street, the enduring legacy of Adidas and Puma. In the decades that followed, Adidas and Puma transcended their athletic roots, becoming cultural icons embraced by athletes and fashion enthusiasts alike. Adidas, with its iconic three-stripe logo, became synonymous with performance, innovation, and street style. Puma, with its focus on design and collaborations with fashion houses, carved out a unique space at the intersection of sports and fashion. The rivalry between the two brands, while less acrimonious in later years, continued to drive innovation and shape the sportswear landscape. Both Adidas and Puma have become global giants, with a presence in virtually every corner of the world. Their influence extends far beyond footwear and apparel, encompassing everything from music and art to social justice and environmental sustainability. The story of Adidas and Puma is a testament to the power of entrepreneurship, the enduring allure of sport, and the complex dynamics of family ties. It is a story that continues to captivate and inspire, reminding us that even the bitterest of rivalries can give rise to enduring legacies. The entrepreneurial spirit, a legacy of innovation. The tale of Adidas and Puma serves as a powerful reminder of the impact of entrepreneurial drive and innovation. The Dassler Brothers' story demonstrates how passion, dedication, and a relentless pursuit of excellence can transform a small business into a global phenomenon. It highlights the profound impact that competition can have on driving progress and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. As you've read, the spirit of entrepreneurship is at the heart of countless success stories. It's a spirit that thrives on creativity, resilience, and a willingness to challenge the status quo. This same spirit fuels our mission at Entrepreneurial Edge. We strive to empower aspiring entrepreneurs with the knowledge, resources, and connections they need to turn their dreams into reality. If you've been inspired by the journey of Adidas and Puma, we invite you to join us at Entrepreneurial Edge. Your support allows us to continue providing valuable resources and fostering a vibrant community of innovators and changemakers. Together, let's embrace the entrepreneurial spirit and shape the future of business and innovation. Thank you for watching Entrepreneurial Edge. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more entrepreneurial stories.